Welcome to my trash bag collection. Today I'm going to show you my trash bag collection. This is Awful Pie common. This is Putrid Pizza common. This is Awful Pie rare. This is Slop Corn is rare. This is Grot Dog is common. This is Smelly Fish rare. This is Putrid Sardines common. This is Stale Rat rare. This is Garbage Egg rare. This is French Fries rare, ultra rare. This is Chicken ultra rare. This is Rancid Stick ultra rare. This is Scum Gum ultra rare. This is Found Nugget rare. This is Off Cheese ultra rare. This is Dumpling. It's special edition. This is the pill pot I don't have. This is Bash Bottle rare. This is Stinky Soda common. This is Putrid Book. This is Smelly Salt. This is Kraut Can. This is Loo Paper rare. This is Scummy Screen rare. This is Rot Box rare. This is Snotton ultra rare. This is the Toxic Trash Ring ultra. Glow in the dark special edition. This is Trash Peeler. It's rare. This is Blowfly rare. This is the Rancid Roach rare. This is Sour Snail rare. This is the Broad Moth rare. This is Trash Rat rare. This is special edition Definite, and this is Jump Bomb ultra rare. This is Gross Rover common. This is Scummy Squirrel rare. This is Garbage Cow rare. This is Smelly Mouse ultra rare. This is Manglets ultra rare. This is Thresholder rare. This is Waste Wolf rare. This common. This is Jermit common. This is Ultra Show common. Special edition. This is Frankenstein is ultra rare. This is Bird Flu ultra. This is Flu Virus ultra. This is Moo Cow Disease ultra. This is Flesh Eating Virus. This is exclusive trash bag. This is exclusive trash bag. This one I don't trade, and this is the Trash Cat. And they have, if you want to lie to your friends, say that you are Trash Cat, you can just say that you have Trash Cat, and they have give you a certificate. Say that you have that congratulations, you have just found a limited edition Trash Cat. 07591 of 10,000, and they say the trash pack is the trash bag, and Moose the sign is the company of the trash bag, and this Shanghai Toys is known as Beyblade company too. So these are the trash pack I can want to trade with, but this one and this I don't want to trade. All of these over here I don't trade, and the bottom one. The bottom one I can trade. So this one I can trade with special edition. Special edition I can trade a special edition, and the rare I expect trade rare, and then the ultra rare I trade ultra rare. Then the few things that I want to tell you that is, if you don't have the moo cow disease like this, I tell you where to buy. You buy from 5-pack. And there's a displaying of this trash pack on top which can glow. So you just buy from there. Just pay to counter, and the last trash pack will be moo cow disease. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe, thumbs up and thumbs down. You click on thumbs up, and I will upload more videos to like unboxing trash pack of the Street Sweeper. So trash bag.